Yeah, boys. Yeah, baby. You got your line there in the water still?
No.
Oh.
I can't do both. I think you just caught him.
Is that the same one?
It looks like it.
Oh, they're all about the same. All right, get on my thumb, man. Ow! Ow! Ow!
She says payback to that bitch. What can we say? Don't worry, you're going back in.
You'll be all right, baby. This country girl was out here to take a look at this thing.
No, she'll eat it.
Yeah, shit, no, she's afraid of them. She was afraid of that brim. Ow! Ow! Not so much the dang size of their teeth, they're just... Don't bite on me.
It's okay.
Okay. I hear you, baby. Oh, ow, ow! You bite my freaking thumb. There we go. Mwah! You beautiful thing. Yeah, they got pretty skin. See how slimy they are.
No, that's okay.
You don't want to feel how slimy they are?
No, that's okay.
That's about a 2-3 pounds, 2.5. All right, sugar. Look at that spin. Look. Damn. I'll get out of here. Damn.